Chili Bowl champion, Logan Seavey.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close, we gon' fuck around drown. Off this way, doing all the shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid.
The best race car drivers in the world here in Tulsa.
If you don't want to bring it back, don't bring it back.
This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting made.
Out of corner number 4, we're green to Chili Bowl made. And through the middle goes Logan Seavey, trying to take that Swindell car. Through the middle, he decides to go top shelf, opening the door for Tanner Thorson. It's a 3-car battle at the front. Seavey holds on to second. Crossover move, high to low. And Seavey's going to retake the lead on the restart. Thorson using all the front he can. And out of the final turn, Chili Bowl champion, Logan Seavey. Logan Seavey fulfills the promise that he's had for so many years, and Kevin Swindell gets a Chili Bowl as a car owner.
To finally get that fit that I felt like I was so close to so many times, it's really cool.
She been on my mind, as soon as I get back, she get shredded. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie getting made. Drip too